Now to the world of business, where Twitter owner Elon Musk has begun the process of replacing Twitter's iconic bird logo with an X. The American billionaire announced the announcement on Sunday morning. By Monday morning, U.S. time, Musk tweeted that X.com will now point to Twitter.com. The change followed Musk's recent admission that advertising revenues remain nearly half of what it once was, and Twitter's cash flow has been negative as a result of that and its heavy debt load. Here are the details of this and other stories making headlines from across the world.
Tech billionaire says he wants to change Twitter's logo and polled his millions of followers on whether they would favor changing the site's color scheme. Under Musk's tenure, since he bought Twitter in October, the company has changed its business name to X Corp, reflecting the billionaire's vision to create a super app like China's WeChat. Twitter, founded in 2006, has used its globally recognized blue bird emblem for more than a decade. The renaming could be seen as something of a brand overhaul Hail Mary for the company. Musk in recent months has repeatedly warned that Twitter, facing steep losses in ad revenue, was on the edge of bankruptcy. Elsewhere, local authorities across China have adopted multiple measures, including the extension of employment-oriented subsidies to promote the employment of college graduates, in keeping with the central government's efforts to vigorously boost the employment of young people, especially college graduates, and alleviate the pressure of unemployment. The State Council of China in May set a target of creating 1 million training positions for young people, as the number of fresh college graduates will reach a record high of 11.58 million in 2023, putting the group under greater pressure to find jobs. The Ministry of Human Resources and Social Security said that it will strengthen peering assistance for college graduates, encountering difficulties and other groups to young people who have been unemployed for a long time, to help them find jobs as soon as possible. Finally, Singapore's key consumer price gauge rose 4.2% in June, since inflation was lower as prices of food and energy eased. The core inflation rate, which excludes private road transport and accommodation costs, rose 4.2% year-on-year in June, easing from 4.7% in May. Economists are generally expecting managed account services to keep monetary policy settings unchanged in the next review in October on a weak growth outlook and still elevated but easing inflation.